So you mentioned appellate law.
Mm-hmm.
What is that?
So appellate practice, courts are set up that you have your trial court, which is essentially your fact-finding court. And they make rulings on what evidence can come in and who the witnesses are and whether or not you can have experts and things of that nature. And you go through trial, and there's a final judgment. And when there's a final judgment, somebody loses, right? So an appellate court is an intermediary court of review. So like here we have the Georgia Court of Appeals for the state court. You were in the 11th Circuit for federal court. Those are the courts that will review what happened at the trial court, because somebody loses and nobody likes to lose. Nobody likes to lose. And trial, like I said before, courts are run by people, right? I mean, as we're getting into computers running everything, still I think the beautiful thing about court is you gotta talk to the clerk, right?
That might be the hardest part.
That's the hardest part. They can make or break you. They can absolutely make or break you, but you gotta talk to the clerk. You have to talk to the court reporter, right? Courts are run by people, and people are people. People make mistakes all the time. Judges are people. Judges make mistakes all the time. Attorneys make mistakes all the time. It's still run by people. So the appellate court sits as a reviewing court when there are issues specifically called out by the losing party to say,
clear error.
Right.
De novo.
No, right. Which, I mean, sometimes in some states don't apply clear error, right? So they can say, yeah, I mean, this happened, but there's not really anything that we can do about it.
So we know what those mean, so we should probably talk about the standards of review for having your case reviewed. And
oh my goodness, I should have brought notes.
Where can we start?
I know. So de novo review, good old Latin term, is done new, or the new, and so the appellate court gets to look at what happened with a particular issue from the very beginning, and they can make their own determinations. So de novo review means you start all over again. Brand new. There's also abuse of discretion, which is mostly tied to factual inaccuracies, right? Because abuse of discretion, appellate courts will review what happened, but the idea there is the trial judge was the one that had the evidence right in front of them. The trial judge is the one who could make a determination of character. So they had the people and they had the evidence there in real time. An appellate court is going back and looking at what happened, and so often your record is, it's just 1,000 pages.
So
you don't have the people.